Jade spent the night at my house last night, so I thought I'd wake her up with a funny joke. Shh. Knock, knock.
And I thought I told you a billion times not to wake me up when I'm sleeping and... Why is your freak show brother recording this?
So I can put this video on the slab.
What video?
Me telling you a funny joke.
No!
Please.
Okay, just get it over with.
Knock, knock.
Come in.
No. Cut. Knock, knock.
Why is your brother wearing my bra?
Oh. Cut. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Purple bathtub.
I hope a purple bathtub falls off a building and lands on you.
Cut. Knock, knock.
Your brother is drooling.
Oh, please get a rag and wipe that off your chin.
Knock, knock.
That's my part. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Purple bathtub.
Purple bathtub.
Purple bathtub who?
I don't know. It's your joke.
Cut. Knock, knock.
Bow!
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Purple bathtub.
You know what? Best joke ever. Yeah, you were totally right. That is the best joke ever. Yeah.